And India Today brings you a big scoop in the Judge Cash Hall case. Judge's version on impeachment move has been accessed exclusively by India Today. Justice Yashwant Verma's reply regarding the burning cash. Justice Verma has claimed that no cash was recovered. There has been no recovery. He in fact has passed on the buck to the officials, saying that he was not the first responder, that the cops failed to secure the site. This is the response from Justice Verma. Srishti Ocha is joining me live on this story. Srishti, this issue going on in the Parliament as well as in the Supreme Court, what more do we know about what Justice Verma has said?
Well, Anisha, this is in fact a big India Today exclusive. We have learned that Justice Yashwant Verma has in fact filed his reply before the parliamentary committee which was constituted as part of the impeachment proceedings against him under the Judges Inquiry Act. Our sources have also given us an idea of the stand that has been taken by Justice Yashwant Verma and his defence before the said parliamentary committee. In his reply, Justice Verma has clearly questioned why should he face impeachment when the officials who were present at the site failed to follow their duties and their responsibilities. He has questioned why should he be impeached if the Delhi police failed to secure the site as they should have. He's also in his reply, as per our sources, questioned the fact that the Delhi police officials, the fire officials and even the CRPF officials who were present at the site of the incident failed to comply with their responsibilities. There's a certain procedure which has been laid down which they should have followed as in cases of suspicion of arson or in cases of fire at a place, but the same was not done by the Delhi police, including their failure to secure the said site. He said that he was not the first responder, considering he wasn't even present at the site. And lastly,
thank you very much for that, Srishti Ocha. Justice Yashwant Verma filing his reply before the Parliament's Inquiry Committee, questioning how is it that he is facing such serious proceedings when the police did not even recover any cash, did not even secure the site of the fire. This is something that will continue. We will keep a very close eye on these developments. But for now, that's all we have for you on this edition of the news.